In this one, we're going over how to reset your Whirlpool Cabrio Washer. If it's been acting weird or throwing error codes, a quick reset might be all you need to get it working again. Let's get right into it. So, first try the quick reset using the control panel. Hit the pause or cancel button. You'll usually find it right on the front. After that, pick any cycle you want, like normal or heavy duty. Once you've picked a cycle, press start. Sometimes that alone clears up little bugs or unresponsive controls and gets things moving again without much effort. A lot of users overlook this step, but it's actually one of the fastest ways to bring the washer back to normal. If that doesn't do the trick, you can move on to a full power cycle. Turn the washer off, then go ahead and unplug it from the wall. Wait about 10 minutes. That gives it time to fully drain any leftover power. Once time's up, plug it back in and let it sit for another 30 seconds or so to fully boot back up. Then just run an empty wash cycle to help recalibrate the system. That helps it reset itself and should clear up most issues, especially things like stuck cycles, sensor glitches, or controls freezing up. It's a simple method, but surprisingly effective when the machine refuses to respond normally. If you're still seeing error codes or problems after that, it might be time to check the user manual or contact Whirlpool support. But for a lot of people, one of these resets does the job. And as an extra tip, make sure the lid is closing properly and nothing is blocking it. Sometimes the washer won't reset correctly if the lid sensor isn't making good contact. Give the rim a quick wipe to remove any detergent buildup and close it firmly. Small things like that can make a big difference and save you an unnecessary repair later on.